welcome back to Bruce Workshop. Today, before I start everything, I want to say sorry. Yesterday I forget to publish my video. Actually already uploaded. I make a small pipe joint for that, and then fix my washing machine water pipe. Well, this is 3D printing workshop. Of course, we talk about 3D printing a lot, and now I'm still talking about 3D printing. What is 3D printing? I know a lot of people, a lot of you already know what is 3D printing, and still got a lot of people out there that don't know about it. The most common question I get is, what is 3D printing? I'm facing this question like a lot. There also are the most common one is what you can do with it. I can buy the stuff. Why I had to print something? So yes, you don't have to when you can buy something. You can buy the model, you don't have to print something. Oh, you may notice that here you got the models. Yes, I just printed with a combine of models. This is FDM combined technology. I mean, this is FDM, fusion deposition modeling, and the top one is resin type printing. It says LA. This is quite a detailed print. You can look at the face. Can you scan? Can you? Okay, I will put a picture in my Instagram anyway. You can just go to my Instagram to watch it. And like the beautiful thing like this is not most of you want it, because not everyone, because of the model you're going to buy the printer. That's why you can come out like me doing 3D printing service. I can help you print something you need. But the problem is, if you can buy from outside, like the water pipe yesterday I made, why you need to make it? Actually you shouldn't. You should not print anything that you already can buy from market. If something mass production, if you more cheaper than you print one, because printing process is printing most likely we use for prototyping. Of course, you still can use for daily life usage, like one of these, not this one. Okay, it's my key. My key chain got a special joint here. This joint printed by two technology. One is FDM, and this one is glow in dark. Let me see. Let me try the switch of the light. Yeah, switch off the light. Can you see that? It's glow in dark. Quite dark also. Well, it's not the case. So it is glowing in dark, and another parts of this, actually I was using the glow in dark filament to print, and the plastic is more not flexible enough, and it break after 6 months of use. 6 months of use for that plastic part. Actually, you buy some special part, ABS part, also possible damage it by 6 months. And this is the resin print. I made another duplicate with the different type of technology printed, and I still can join it. Now it's still using. So this is like key, my core key. So I can just separate them when my wife or someone need to pick my car, like car wash. You just take my car key. Don't keep my house key with my USB on top. So this is the case. If you want to buy something of this, it's still possible. But if you want to buy the glowing in dark filament, so I can find it when the light off or night time. Where is my key? There's the light there, the dark light there. So you can find it, no problem, right? So, but I don't see people selling it, and maybe have. Just I don't found it. When I can't get something I need exactly what I need, I will print something. This is my usage part. Of course, if you are in the business, you want to develop some products like a casing. If you straightforward go to the manufacturing, you want to say, I want to build this product, I want to do mass production, and I want to test some parts. The big factory, they don't want to bother you, because they make a mold. It's like few thousand ringgit to 10,000 ringgit to build one mold. And once the mold come out, your parts will use the mass production we did, injection mold. So in that case, you don't want to waste your money to make that. you want to make sure there is a working prototype. Then where 3D printing come in, you can make a working prototype for that. And someone asked me, can you 3D print your 3D printer? Yes, why not? This is Prusa, Origin Prusa. And you look at the case detail, if you can see detail, this is 3D printer part. This is 3D printer part. This is 3D printer part. This is also 3D printer part. Of course, electronic part is not 3D printed, and they got a base frame. But the 3D printing part really helped you save a lot of cost on making this printer. Prusa, the Prusa, original Prusa, they make this one very well, and that's where I support them. And they got a lot of smart feature inside, a sensor inside. But the main thing is that they're manufacturing with 3D printer. 3D printer build 3D printer. It's not unlike an industrial level printer. Of course, industrial level printer will be more solid, more strong, this and that. And yeah, this is printer, 3D printer, print 3D printer. Well, the case is like that. What else you want to use 3D printer with? Like playing tools? Well, forget it. If you don't know what you want to print, first thing you need to do is learn how to 3D models. I'm getting planned next videos. I'm teaching some 3D models, a simple application for your household using. And if you're not like daily based printing, you don't really have to own one, because I don't want to get in some cheap, very low cost printer. There is a lot of low cost printer out there, China made, and maybe 1,000 ringgit you can get one. The frustrating thing is you need to pay a lot of time to do the calibration. I'm not mean their quality bad. They still can print very well. Like my very first printer is like cost is like Sony 7, below 1,000 ringgit. Some of my friend buy the kit, so I helped him to build it. And after I built it, giving a week time to tune and calibration, the key point is you cannot remove the printer. Once you move it, calibration run, and you can't like continue printing with the same quality. But I can tune it, fine tune to print a 1 centimeter cups. It's a coffee cup. It's very nice, very small, and that is in my Instagram also. You can go to my history like a few years ago if you like, or you just search in that Instagram for 1M3DP, 1M. You can say it's make or Malaysia, then 3DP, 3D printing. So the 1M hashtag 1M3DP, you can find the picture, a lot of picture I made, and don't worry, that all the picture is only I made for myself or I made for something for fun. That's not include all the client print. I won't share. If someone asks me to print something out, I'm not going to share it properly unless the people is accept that, say this is open source, you can share. So only I will share. 3D printing. What is 3D printing? This is what 3D printing is. Your imagination is your limitation. See you next day.